Hello, a beautiful day to you, esteemed investors. How's the second half of the year been so far? Well, it's been a roller coaster. Things are coming together, and we thank God for His goodness. All right, so today I've got something really special. It's a limited time offer. I'm talking about 1-bedroom apartment in the Mufasa Apartment in Lekki, Lagos. If you know what Lekki, Lagos stands for in this axis, you will agree with me that it's the best place to assure yourself of a daily rental income. Nothing beats daily cash flow. Am I correct? Now, when you are now getting it from a valued real estate investment, you can imagine what that will do to your bank account. Alright, so Mufasa Apartment is a place to be because the location is very strategic, the construction is excellent, perfectly done, everything is done to the book. There's clean water. Clean water is not very common in Lekki. Due to the hard work and extra mile on the part of the developer, we are able to achieve clean water. So we have clean water in Mufasa Apartment. A lot of short-let apartment subscribers already understand that Ikate is the place to be. Owning an apartment that can earn you rental income in Ikate is a wise decision. I will not fail to remind you that real estate investment is the only investment with the greatest value, the highest return, and the least risk. So, the earlier you and I getting on this, the better. I'll be expecting your call. And just before I let you go, kindly subscribe to this channel. In the last few days, I've been talking about off-plan development. I've been reeling them before you from location to location, and I'm going to continue again tomorrow. You will agree with me that in order to serve you better, from DFT Property Pro, our post has now become a daily affair. So keep tabs with us, subscribe to this channel, and I'll be grateful if you would also turn on your notification bell so that when next we post a video, you will be in the loop. Alright, so don't go just yet. The next slide you're going to see will be what the 1-bedroom apartment in Mufasa Apartment actually looks like. And let me know if you are the fastest finger to cash in on this. Till I come your way again. Ciao.